Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the angle, I kind of changed the position of my camera, and please ignore this t-shirt. I think my mom gave it to me. So yeah, I kind of like put it upwards, and so you guys can see my tattoo as well. This time I wanted to do Arabic nights, Arabic style makeup. Honestly, I've been dying to try it. I do have a specific look in my mind. Hopefully it will come out like the way that I want. Otherwise, I'll just cry. So let's start with our foundation. Good news, I washed my beauty blender. So it's currently like 8:30 p.m. And I kind of felt like making a makeup tutorial because I don't know, I felt like I should. Alright, I hope this angle is making me look a little skinnier because I want to look skinny. Alright, now I am going to conceal my eyes, and I'm going to use this type of concealer for my lid. Alright, so we're going like this, like this. Now let's use this one for the lid. I'm planning on doing something like darker colors because why not? I am Turkish. I like dark. I like drama. I like dark. Everything D. Oh my god, I'm not just here. Alright, let's do our powder. So I'm watching this Turkish drama series called Yaprak Dökümü. So in English, I think it translates as like leaves falls or something. So there's the daughter. She becomes like, a really famous businesswoman. Her name is Necla. So her parents move in to her, luxurious house. And she is in a meeting, in a business meeting. And the mom calls her to ask her, "Oh, Necla, where is paprika?" And she's like, "Mom, just check the drawer." It's like she looks like she's about to cry. I was just watching that scene this morning. Okay, so I'm gonna take this palette and I just want to work on with this color and this color. So one of them is like darker blue and black color. So we're going to try that today. Okay, I'll just start with this brush. So I'll just grab this one, the shade, and I'll just go outwards. Start here. There's like a lot of fallout. Let's connect the bottom. All right, now I just want to blend the top. So it's not too like sharp. I just want to make it here a little more darker. since we came all the way here. Now we are going to add some black. So I'm just gonna stop here for my bottom lash line. Why did I sound like I was gonna cry? Bottom lash line. So we're kind of making a really harsh and like dark liner look. All right, so now we have this. Whew. Oh my God. It's a lot of fallout. It's like too much, so much. Right, let's go in with black. All right, I'm gonna try to blend. Okay, so for my, this area, I'm gonna take this palette and I'm going to take this color. What's it called? Chrome, this one. All the way. Now let's make it a little darker here. Okay, I kind of want to add more gold. Hear me out. I'm gonna take this palette and I'm going in with this gold and I'm gonna add on top of it. And let's see what kind of color we'll have. All right.
How would you like to with it?
So I want to try this color on my waterline, on my inner corner. So I'm mixing it with this color for my inner corner. It's kind of giving me a nice color. Well, since we are doing like Arabic look, maybe I should give it a try. All right, my lashes are done. So I'm just gonna add some black pencil on my waterline. Oh, I like this. For bronzer, I'm going in with this brand right here. I'm gonna try to do a nose contour. Let's do blush. So we are going in with Cool, this brand. And for highlighter, we are going in with the brand that I can't pronounce. Oh my God. All right, for lipstick, I'm gonna use the Note red lipstick, and I'm gonna use Isabelle Marant from L'Oreal Smile. All right, guys, here's my finished look. What do you think? So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let me know if you in the comments if you guys liked it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh my God. Bye.